सुनकर देखो, सुनकर देखो, सुनकर देखो जी। ममता राहुल मोदी बोले, लिखे जितेंद्र जी।
I don't think it's appropriate for me to say much because it is clear that it is not in our house yet, the FCRA bill, and it seems it may not be coming to the other house also, although I don't know. The point I'd like to make, however, is that the legacy and the past history of this government and the ruling party has not at all been a positive one regarding FCRA. It has not been a positive one regarding solid groundwork being done by deserving NGOs. It has been one to brush everybody with the same black brush. It has inhibited and stopped constructive work at the ground. And with this backdrop, I think it's important not to hasten things. It's important to send it to a select committee, to a standing committee to have discussion. Otherwise, you will have the very sorry plight which you're having now. In the transgender bill, almost everything we've said has come true. Everybody outside is criticizing the bill as passed. The High Court is criticizing it. Your own government committee, 2 or 3 people have resigned. So if you listen to us and make appropriate constructive amendments, you don't lose face. You don't become smaller. It's not an ego fight. So we are only saying that let everybody collaborate to get a better bill.
सर, पश्चिम बंगाल के एसआईआर पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि 7 अप्रैल तक वोटर आईडी से जुड़े सभी ऑब्जेक्शन का निपटारा होना चाहिए।
नहीं, आज मैं पेश हुआ हूँ, इसमें तो कई सारी मुद्दे और भी हैं और जहाँ तक हो सकता है अल्प समय में उच्चतम न्यायालय एक सकारात्मक रूप से उसको सुधार के चक्कर में लगा है। इतने बड़े पैमाने पे सुधार आसान नहीं होता है, लेकिन उच्चतम न्यायालय हर हफ्ते कई घंटे देता है इसको, ये सराहनीय चीज़ है। साथ साथ ये भी है कि भाई जो कारण हैं वो कारण आपको देने पड़ते हैं। अगर मैंने आपको निरस्त किया या रिजेक्ट किया तो वो कारण अपील में अवेलेबल होने चाहिए, नहीं तो अपील कैसे करूँगा मैं अगर मेरा नाम कट गया तो, इत्यादि इत्यादि। तो कई सुधार हो रहे हैं, लेकिन अब यही है कि इतने सैकड़ों नाम हैं और वहाँ पर आखिर हमारे सेवानिवृत्त जजेस का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, हमारे सिटिंग लोअर जुडिशरी का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, तो उनकी भी क्षमता की एक सीमा होती है। तो इसलिए हम आशा विश्वास करते हैं कि इसमें चुनाव आयोग एक विवेक दिखाए, एक संतुलन दिखाए। Since I am appearing in the case, I don't want to say much except that it's very creditable and very praiseworthy that the Apex Court is spending hours every week. The scale of the problem is very high. There are crores involved in terms of numbers of people. It is not possible humanly or logistically or legally for one Apex Court to handle these crores of complaints. However, they have tried to set up systems. Our lower judiciary has to be applauded for putting their best foot forward to dispose of lakhs of cases per day. Retired chief justices are doing their best. So all this is something which deserves to be applauded and endorsed. It deserves, however, it needs a sense of compassion and a sense of inclusivity and a sense of sympathy and empathy by the EC in everything which they do, which is sometimes missing.